G'day viewers, this is Troy from Troy's Digital Arts channel. In my last video I was talking about what I intend to do in updating this Iconoscope camera to make it function more better, reducing the noise at the video output. So far I've shielded the yoke with copper sheeting. So I've wrapped copper sheeting around it, soldered at the ends just so it sticks. I actually also did sort of arrow dyed it to the yoke, and I've run shielded wires from the horizontal and vertical deflection connections. So the horizontal and vertical leads are now shielded. So and the shielding gets connected to earth on both the circuit board end and at the yoke end. So it's shielded to. So the shielding is on this end connected to the copper sheeting. So this is all tied to earth. So that should help reduce the horizontal and vertical deflection noise going to the video circuit. And seeing I've added that sheeting, I had to remove this piece of plastic which holds the yoke in place by friction. I had to take it out and sand it a bit to make the circumference a little bit more, so to account for the thickness of this copper sheeting. So yep, I've just quickly shoved that in a little bit, and it does actually fit, so I'm pretty well right with that. And that's about it for the moment. I'm gonna, once the arrow dot dries, I'm gonna put the yoke back in and put the tube in and just test to see if everything's working good. And once that happens, I'll then tackle the pre-amplification stage issue, which as said in the previous video, I intend to separate the preamp and stick it on a smaller circuit board and stick it right at the target connector. So that way there's pretty much almost no distance between the target output of the tube and the preamp stage. How I'm going to tackle that, I'll have to work something out, because there'll be a little bit of other complications involved and all that. Be quite a few more wires going through there, which will be the earth and the plus volts and all that go. So I'll have to work that all out. Anyway, that's about it. Stay tuned for my next update on Project Iconoscope Camera Mark II. This is Troy from Troy's Digital Arts channel signing out.